my child, when the path ahead seems unclear, know that I am guiding you. Even when you cannot see the way, I am already there, preparing your steps. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119:105. Trust in me, for I will never lead you astray. In your moments of doubt, remember that I am your constant guide. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land. Isaiah 58:11. I am here to direct your every step, even when the journey feels long. You may feel lost, but you are never alone. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32:8. I am watching over you, gently leading you to where you need to be. Do not fear the unknown, for I am the God of the unknown. What you cannot see, I already know, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Trust in my plan, for it is filled with hope and purpose. When you feel uncertain, hold on to my promises. I am guiding you through every twist and turn, and I will never abandon you. The path may not always be clear, but I am always near.